Whether you're a drone enthusiast, local to the area, or just enjoy tranquil aerial views, this short flight offers a unique perspective on one of North Yorkshire's lovely villages. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone flights, motorhome adventures, and scenic UK landscapes.
Welcome to this tranquil flight over Strensall, a peaceful village nestled just north of York in North Yorkshire. Filmed with the DJI Mini 3, this aerial journey takes you over rolling fields, quiet country roads, and the gentle curves of the River Foss. Strensall is a charming place, with its blend of village life and surrounding countryside, a perfect spot for a relaxing drone flight. As we glide over the landscape, you'll spot familiar sights, maybe even a few hidden gems from above. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoy peaceful drone flights and scenic locations around the UK, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the view.